Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the 3 cards with you. We've got 3 tarot cards this week. First of all, we have the 8 of Wands, followed by the Magician card, and finally we have the 5 of Swords. So this is interesting. Okay. I want to start with this one, the 5 of Swords, because this can indicate some negative energy. It could be self-sabotage, it could be negative thinking, it could be old memories and painful wounds from the past that have been surfacing or are surfacing at the moment. And I'm just getting the word, actually making me feel quite emotional, really, because what they're saying is they, my angels and guides, feeling as though you're failing. They just said, feeling as though you're a failure. You're not there yet. You haven't got everything in place. You're not where you want to be. And they're just saying that nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing could be further from the truth. All of your old patterns and your old memories and your old wounds, they keep you small. They keep you in a place where you're not meant to be. It's not who you truly are. And in fact, what they're telling me is this is who you really are, the magician. The magician is someone that it's got everything at their disposal. I don't know if you can see in that picture there. They have everything on the table. They've got a cup, they've got a pentacle, they've got a sword, they've got a wand. So meaning that they have everything. They are connected to the all and everything. They are the all and everything. And when the magician appears, it means that you're going to take a step further into that knowingness or that beingness or that doingness related to this. So you're just about to show the world and show yourself and realize to yourself that you are more than you could ever have imagined. Okay, this always turns up when someone's just about to take that step. They're just about to take that leap. They're just about to go to a different level, a different layer, a different dimension, a different vibration, a different frequency. Okay, and you're going to get closer and closer to your essence, who you truly are, your magnificence, your greatness, your light. It can be, in terms of translating this then, what we've just said, you can translate it into different aspects of your life. So yes, of course, it could be your work life. Maybe you're just about to step into something, step into a bigger role, more responsibilities. Perhaps you are getting in touch with your innate gifts and talents and you're going to share them with the world. You're going to set up your own business. You're going to apply for your first job. You're going to retrain in something that you've always wanted to do. Or you're going to take some steps and leaps in relationships or with your lifestyle, your habits, where you live, perhaps how you live. But it's going to take you closer to who you truly are, your innate, your inner essence, your light, your magnificence. But for some of you, this is getting in your way still. And look, hasn't that just been the way recently? It's happened to me as well, where I've just been thrown a little bit by some things coming up from the past. And yes, it could be to do with retrograde planets or whatever. It doesn't really matter what causes it. The fact is there's just some old stuff just coming up to the surface. I'm not immune. It happens to me all the time. Old memories, old patterns, things that you're not anymore, but you've got the residue in your energy field. You've got the residue frequency in your energy field. So yeah, I can definitely building up the energy now. So do whatever you can, folks, to release this, let go of this, because it's still tripping you up. But this, for some people, it's about you feeling like you failed. You're not in the place that you wanted to be at this point in time. And their message to you is nothing could be further from the truth. And you won't get that until a little bit further down the road. But you've got to keep trusting and believing in yourself and your ability and your capability and who you truly are, because there is going to be some movement this week. For some of you, this is a green light. Some of you, this is the go ahead, and it's all connected to this. You stepping further into your magnificence and your power. But this is about movement and shifting and clearing. For some of you, I think you're going to be clearing some stuff as well. Pulling off the brakes. Some of the brakes you have been putting on yourself. We do that, don't we? Because all of a sudden we're getting closer, and then we panic, and then we worry, and then we pull back a little bit. But this is saying, okay, do what you need to clear that, because for some of you, you need to jump now. You need to leap now. This is your green light. This is the foot off the brake, the foot moving over to the accelerator and going for it. Actually, they've just given me a wave of really big energy. So for some of you, you're going to have this rush of energy. All of a sudden, things were held up. You were thinking, come on, I'm nearly there. For some of you, I know some of you are almost there. And now it's the green light. Now it's the go ahead. Now it's go. So don't think that these hold-ups and the old memories surfacing in your life, in your world, have been you failing. You haven't failed. Nothing could be further from the truth. Just clear this stuff, clear the last residues, because it is all systems go for this week. It's taking action, it's moving forward with passion, it's taking inspired steps and action in your life towards who you truly are. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.